Blackened, crusty, burnt food in the bottom of a pan. It can happen to anyone, even professional chefs. From the looks of the mess, you might have lost hope of trying to clean it. But a badly burnt pot can be saved with the power of natural cleaning products. With some basic kitchen staples, there are several techniques you can use to clean a badly burnt stainless steel pan. You need baking soda, water, and white vinegar, and a scouring pad and scraper, such as a wooden spatula. Baking soda is your go-to for cleaning a burnt pot or pan because it has mild abrasive properties and its alkaline pH can help neutralize acidic burnt foods. It can also be combined with an acid such as vinegar or lemon juice to create a fizzing reaction that helps loosen burnt food to get it off your pan. Here's the first technique that's best for burnt-on sauce or gravy. It's called the deglaze technique. Remove as much burnt food and debris from the pan as possible. Put the pan back on the stove and heat until warm to hot. Add 1 cup of water or a mixture of half water and half white vinegar to the hot pan and allow to boil. Use more if you have a large pot or pan. As the liquid simmers, use the spatula or scraper to deglaze the bottom of the pan, loosening bits of burnt food. Pour the liquid into the sink and do not try to dry or wipe the pan. Sprinkle the bottom of the pan liberally with baking soda and let the pan cool. Use a wet scouring sponge or nylon brush. Scrub the pot bottom vigorously. Wash and dry as normal once all stains and scorched bits have been removed and should find a sparkling pan. If you have a scorched pan with burnt food, you can use the baking soda and water technique to get the job done. Remove as much food and debris from the pan as possible. Make a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Make enough to cover the scorched portion of the pan. For a completely scorched pan, try 1 cup of baking soda and a 1/3 cup of water. Liberally apply the paste to the burnt pan. It should be thick enough to coat fully. Alternatively, cover the bottom of the pan with a thin layer of warm water, then add enough baking soda to create a paste. Let the mixture sit for a few hours or overnight, then add more baking soda and scrub with a nylon brush or scour sponge. You can also use baking soda in this way to wash pots and pans regularly and help prevent scorched stains or burnt-on residue. For a more heavy-duty cleaner, add white vinegar to the baking soda and let kitchen chemistry help break down burnt food on your scorched pan. This is the baking soda and vinegar technique. Remove as much food and debris from the pan as possible. Add enough white vinegar to cover the bottom of the pan with at least a 1/2 inch of liquid. Boil the vinegar in the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. Remove from the heat and add 1 cup baking soda. You'll get a fizzing reaction. It might be best to do this in the sink. Set the pot aside and wait until all the fizzing and bubbling dies down. Discard the liquid and scrub the pan with a nylon scrub brush or scour sponge, adding more baking soda as necessary. Rinse, clean, and dry, and you should see a shiny pan. Lemons are also a great way to clean and shine stainless steel or copper cookware. Combined with the power of baking soda, you can remove black, yellow, or rainbow oxidization stains and help restore a burnt pan. The final technique is the baking soda and lemon technique. Just follow these steps. Remove as much food and debris from the pan as possible. Keep a thin layer of water in the pan, then sprinkle the bottom liberally with baking soda. Cut a lemon in half and use the flesh side to scour the pan with the baking soda slurry. The combination of the acidic lemon juice and the alkaline baking soda may fizz slightly. This is a good thing. If your pan has a copper bottom that is blackened or tarnished, turn the pot upside down and use this method to help remove the stains and restore the shine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to clean sheet pans and oven trays with baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching. And bye for now. And bye.